This dogwood tree is my next door neighbor's. Looks like some kind of boring beetle is killing this awesome tree.
Yeah.
There are wood shavings at the base of the tree. Is there a way to save the tree? And this is Sammy from Dyersburg, Tennessee. So, boring beetles, is there a way to save the tree? And as you can see there, that looks pretty tough to me.
This
Wes.
looks pretty tough.
That looks pretty bad.
This looks pretty far gone.
Yeah, that looks, yeah.
This
tough.
looks like this flowering dogwood was attacked by dogwood borers.
Uh-huh, yeah.
And when the boring insects attack a tree, it's already in a weakened state already. So there
stressed.
may not be getting enough water on this tree. I don't know the yard. They could have irrigation and maybe not. I'm not sure about that. But once they get attacked by the dogwood borers, it does send them into a decline.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think using imidacloprid, the soil drench on the dogwood borers at this point are going to help.
I don't think so either.
You could try, but I would use something more in line with a spray, something that has permethrin in it, or one of those ethrins, and mix it with a spreader sticker, which is more like an oil type product, and it helps that permethrin or the borer treatment chemical stick to the wood of the tree and stops those borers.
Right.
But you got to be quick.
Yeah, you got to be quick. And again, there's that window. You know, we're talking April. You know,
Yes.
I used to tell folks mid-April.
Yeah.
You know, just about June for the most part.
Yeah, but don't give up. Give it a shot.
Don't give up.
I've never met a tree that wanted to die.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.